latest bullish daily candle in the BTC USD chart is a relief for crypto investors and hodlers, where the price formed a bearish channel breakout with static resistance violation. Therefore, any corrective pressure within the daily breakout candle may increase the buying pressure in the coming days. The above technical analysis shows a new higher high in MACD histogram with a bullish structure break above the 40,000 key level. In that case, the price will likely extend the bullish momentum towards the 52,193 resistance level in the coming days. However, a strong rebound and a daily candle below the 38,000 level might eliminate the current possibility and initiate a deeper correction to the price.